If I never sing another song, it surely bother me.
Hey guys! Ang video na to is napaka-espesyal dahil ang itatampok natin dito sa video na to is hindi lang basta vlogger, hindi lang influencer, hindi lang komedyante, kundi isang napakahusay na singer. Walang iba kundi si Malupiton.
In my heyday, young girls were for me. Everybody seems to have a time to devote to me. Everyone I saw, they only knew me.
Angas talaga ni boss.
Once upon a song, made a passion, couldn't buy a seat. The celebrities were dying to me.
Buong-buo ang boses.
I had every accolade on me, and now so you see, if I never sing another song, it surely bother me. I had my share of pain, you know my name.
Old song pero ang ganda pa rin pakinggan.
I never sing another song or take another bow, I would get by, but I'm not sure.
Ganda ng boses ni Boss Malupiton.
Always wanting, but you let it all. Do you have to learn to act like you want about it all? Everything I need, the world of golden, once upon a star.
Bangis ni Idol.
Recitations hung on every wall, just a scrapbook full of goals I can't recall at all. There were times I felt the world belonged to me, and now so you see, if I never sing another song, it surely bother me.
Ganda ng song na to.
I have my share of pain, you know my name. If I'll never sing another song,
Grabe, may pakulot si Bossing.
I would get by, but I'm not sure how. La 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 la
Pero to be honest, ang ganda talaga ng boses ni Boss Malupiton. Grabe yun, Boss Malupiton. Pa-burger ka naman, idol.